Guys, welcome back to your own channel, guys. So we can see the forex major forex pair where they gonna work for next week. Okay guys, so right now you can see here this will act as a one of the major supporting areas right now. Just I will draw it. Okay guys, this will be act as a major supporting area. Okay guys, I will just shift this so you get a clear idea. So right now you can see here, guys, what will be happen if we wanted to take a upside momentum. Then you have to see that, guys, it has to break this level, and your first target will be here, guys. If it gonna break, then you can achieve your second target, guys. This will be the third target, this will be your fourth target, guys. Okay guys, here one trend line also going on, guys. This is the one of the trend line what I am seeing here right now. Okay guys, if it will came here and take support and break this trend line, you can expect the bigger momentum, guys. I will update in the Telegram channel, guys. You can join there too, guys. I will definitely gonna update if any scenario will be seen like this. Okay guys, if it came downside, okay guys, take resistance somewhere here. Our first target will be here, guys, second and third target. So this is the analysis of Euro versus USD. We can see the next major forex pair. It is the GBP versus US dollar. Okay guys, right now here only taken a reversible right now. So you have to see that, guys. Right now I will make a, this is as a one of the major supporting areas right now. Okay guys, this will be act as major supporting areas right now. Once again, if this area will be breaked, this area will be break, then you can expect the upper side momentum. Okay guys, if it gonna break or take support or in flow only it will break, your first target will be here, guys, second target you can achieve, and third target. And if once again take here somewhere support, you can go for fourth and fifth target too. Okay guys, in downside too, guys, we can expect that if it came once again from here only downside, then we can expect our first target, guys. This will be the second target, and our third target, this will be our fourth target, guys. Okay guys, you can go for these all four target for downside and upside. We can see next major forex pair is Euro versus GBP, guys. Okay guys, right now it is in the best place. It has to take from here only resistance. Once again it take resistance, then you can expect your first target, guys, second, this will be your third target, and your fourth target, guys. Okay guys, these are the four target in downside. If it become reversible and come somewhere here and take support, our first target will be here, guys. This will be the second target, third target, fourth target, and final fifth target. Okay guys, we can see for next USD versus CAD, guys, Canadian dollar. So I will just shift this support and resistance area. You can see that exactly taken resistance right now, but we have to see that clearly it has to break this line. Okay guys, if it will break this line, then you can expect that it will fall the heavily in your first target, second, third, fourth, and you can go for your last target, fifth target, guys. Okay guys, if it doesn't break and once again come upside momentum, then you can expect your first, second, third, and this will be the fourth target, guys. Okay guys, if I see any reversible or something, or I see some good setup in a crude oil or something, I will update in my Telegram channel, guys. Go and check out that too, guys. Link in the description, guys. Okay guys, we can see next USD versus CHF. Right now it is in the bullish phase. So if once again it will act as a, this will be act as a resistance only, guys. If it will break, then only go for upside momentum, or it will come somewhere here and becoming reversible. You can expect your first target, guys, second, third target, guys. Okay guys, these are the three target, and this is the major supporting area you can see here. I will just shift it. Okay guys, this will be the major supporting area. I will just remove this line so you can get it. Okay, if it will consolidate and breakout has been given, then you can expect your first, second, third and fourth target. Okay guys, these are the target for USD versus CHF. We can see the AUD versus US dollar guys. Right now it is in a consolidation phase. Once again I am telling you, this is the one of the major supporting area, but right now it is the consolidating. So if it will came downside and take support, then you can expect your first target. This will be the second target, this will be the third target and fourth and fifth target guys. Okay guys, here only it take reversible, so you have to see that it taken a here resistance. You can expect that these are the downside target once again. Okay guys, if this level has been break, okay guys, this level has been break, then you can go for upside momentum. Otherwise you can see the consolidation phase in AUD versus US dollar. If it will came downside and take somewhere here resistance, then you can expect your first, second and this is the third target. Okay guys, you can check out my Telegram channel. There I will give you the so much nicest trade, also the crude oil and gold and some other crude oil, gold and natural gas, also all the commodity also I will give you some trades, and some crypto also I will give you, so you can go and check out there, so you can get the nicest money there also. Okay guys, so this will be the NSD versus US dollar. You can expect that this will be the one of the major act as a resistance, but once it will goes upside, take a support, or you can expect that the it will make a price action, then you can go for your first target, second target. If it breaks, then you can go for your third, fourth and last one, fifth target. Okay guys, these are the 5 target in upside momentum. If once again it came downside and break this line, you can expect that your first, second and third target. Okay guys, these are the 3 targets. Okay guys, we can see for next euro versus Japanese yen. Right now it is in the bearishness phase, but right now it is recovering, but the chances are very high it once again came downside, but it's not, probability is that it maybe came downside, but right now it is in a nice place. So we can expect that if it will consolidate somewhere here only and break, then you can expect your first, second, third, and if that also break, your fourth and fifth target too. Okay guys, if somewhere here only consolidate and breaks, okay guys, consolidate and came downside, it has to break this line. I will just draw it for you. Okay, first, second, if once again take resistance, your third, and you can expect fourth target too. Okay guys, the ideal thing is second target only you have to book your 70%, rest third, fourth, fifth target you can take it for 30 to 20%. Okay guys, you have to see that it has to break this trend line. Okay guys, after that only you have to take a downside target. Okay guys, we can see the next major forex is AUD versus CHF. So you know that the exactly what we have discussed there only turns around. So this is the majorly a supporting area. So we can expect that if it will break and take somewhere here support, then you can expect your first, second and third target. Okay guys, I will just make a support and resistance area somewhere here only. Once again, this will be the your area. Okay guys, if it will take resistance somewhere here, you can achieve your first target, this will be the second, third and fourth target. Okay guys, we can see the next GBP versus Japanese yen guys. Right now you can watch it. So this will be the area where it may be came once again and take the support. So we will just draw it for you. So if right now it is in a bullish phase I am seeing, but once again if somewhere here only it has to cross, then you can expect your first target will be here guys, second target, third, fourth, fifth, 5 targets. Okay, it has to cross this area. Okay guys, if this cross, you can get the bullishness phase in this. Okay guys, if it doesn't cross, take somewhere here only resistance or make a price action. You can expect your first, second, third, fourth, fifth target. Okay guys, these are the 5 target we can see for euro versus USD guys. So we have achieved taken all the forex pair. If you have any queries, please guys comment down below. I will really solve it out or make a specially video for you that in that video. Okay guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel guys. Thank you.